Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tosh from Stack Trading. In today's video for Trade of the Day, we are definitely giving it to one of our favorite stocks that we trade literally each and every day, and that is Tesla. We're going to get into how we traded Tesla today, as well as where does Tesla go from here. It's in a real crucial area for the stock when it comes to the price range, some key technical indicators that we look at. It's in a pivotal area right now, and we're going to share with you exactly where we see this going in the next few days, if not months. So, before we get into it, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notifications channel button so that you can be notified of when we release our trade of the day videos along with other educational content. Um, and please comment below. If you traded Tesla, where do you see Tesla going on from here? Share your ideas with us. Whether you agree with us or disagree with us, let's create some conversation and try to improve as traders. Maybe you guys can see something that we don't see. But with that being said, let's get into how we traded Tesla today. So first things first, in our pre-market analysis, Tesla was one of our A-list stocks today. And there were a couple of reasons why. One, the overall market, the S&P, and more importantly, the NASDAQ, the triple Qs, were gapping up. They were gapping up very close to Friday's highs of the closing price, which, if you remember from Friday was a very ugly day for the market. A very ugly day for Tesla as well. Look at the daily chart here on Tesla. However, Tesla wasn't gapping up nearly as strong as the rest of the market. So for us, that was a cause of concern. Why is Tesla not gapping up as strong as the market, right? So because of that, we noticed Tesla was flagging here in the morning, and we said, okay, if Tesla can prove itself right out of the gates and start to break out above 586, we'll look for a long, right? We'll look for a long opportunity if it can really prove to us that it has strength right out of the gates, and we would like to see the market rally with Tesla as well. However, that did not happen. So we had our shorts ready at 582 if Tesla just decided to dump. Well, lo and behold, the market was actually pretty strong out of the gates, and Tesla was just the opposite. So we had a lot of our traders get short here, right around 582. Boom! Big flushes to the downside, all the way down to 574. 8-point move within the opening 5 minutes of Tesla being open. A lot of our traders took their profits there, and great thing they did. Because if you look at Tesla came back with a vengeance. The market was really pushing. Both the NASDAQ and the SPYs, along with a lot of the other tech firms, were ripping to the upside. So because of that, a lot of our traders decided to get out of Tesla, cover their positions, get some, a lot of people hit their daily goal within the opening 5 minutes on this trade because the return, it was around a 5-to-1 return on the trade. And once Tesla started to prove itself right around here and start to break out above 583, we said, you know what? Market's pushing, tech's pushing, Tesla's pushing. Let's go long Tesla. Tesla was not gapping up nearly as strong as the market, so there's a good chance Tesla can recover. And Tesla was coming into a lot of support from Friday's lows. It started to retain Friday's lows, really show some of the strength down here, as you can see. And once that started to occur, we said, let's get long, right? Let's get long. Let's throw our stops at 580, long 584, and see if we can at least test the pre-market high. From here, Tesla with ease pushed up to pre-market highs. Something that we constantly preach in the room, in our live trading room, is once you get into profitable territory, a couple of things you can do. One, you can throw your stops at break even. Or two, you can utilize one of our go-to strategies, which is the bar by bar stop. It's a trail stop mechanism that we use for damn near every single one of our trades, especially for me. I use it every single trade that I take. In Tesla, if you took that long from 580, 583, 584, you weren't stopped out on a bar by bar until 591. That's another 8-point move that you locked in, and a lot of our traders locked in. And not to mention, a lot of us caught this bull flag here at 589. We got in at 589, and then a lot of us covered 592, 593, kind of scalping the play because of the big move that Tesla had. Yet again, Then Tesla decided to prove itself again on another flag. So he initially had one breakout, one bull flag. Another bull flag started to form here at 594, and we said, you know what? It's the second bull flag. Let's give it a shot. Broke the bull flag and immediately ripped up to $600. Now, one thing to always keep in mind with Tesla is the $100 increment levels are always going to serve as either support or resistance. It's just the psychology of the market, it's the psychology of traders. You see these numbers start to come into play and they start acting as both shorting and long opportunities depending on which side of the fence that you're on. So because of that, we said, you know what? If Tesla gets close to 600, let's go ahead and take our profits, right? We can always revisit it if it gets a bull flag or something like that, starts to play out, bounce off the 8 MA, bounce off the 20 MA, and then it starts to prove itself again. We can look for opportunities there. However, for the time being, let's go ahead and take our profits here. It's a nice return, made it nearly 8 points on this move, around 6 points on this move. Let's go ahead and take that. And good thing we did, because look what Tesla did. Pulled back to the 8 MA. However, it came right back up to test that $600 price level. So what we decided to do was utilize the 8 MA bounce that we often do and get long here around 599. However, in this situation, we're in scout mode. This is the fourth bull flag on Tesla. We have to keep stops tight. You do not want to chase the stock up here and expect it to move another 20 points that we've just experienced, right? That would be, could it happen? Absolutely. However, you don't want to bank on the fact of something like that happening for you to make a decent return. So we went to scout mode. We said, you know what? Let's play it at 599. If it breaks out above 600, we'll throw our stops at 600 and see if we can get a pop up to 601, 602, and look to take our profits there. And that's exactly what happened. Actually, one of my partner, Alex, who runs a trading room with me, he is on vacation, saw this setup, played the bull flag breakout at 599, just hopped in the room really quick, saw us talking about it, read the chart, got in at 599. As soon as it shot up through 600, 601 and some change, took his profit and made a quick $600, literally while he's on vacation. 5 minutes of work right then and there. So that just goes to show Tesla can really produce big returns for you if you just identify the proper opportunities with entries and exits, not getting greedy with the play. Because look at this, had you been greedy with it, said, you know what, no, I think it's going up to 610. Could it? Absolutely. However, this is the fourth bull flag, so scout mode, right? Get into a position where you're just taking those profits very quickly. That's exactly what we did, and from here on, Tesla's just consolidating. Now, from the daily chart, this is a big area for Tesla. It's just hovering on the 200 period moving average, and as I'm sure a lot of you know, the 200 period moving average is a key support zone on the daily chart for any stock, especially when you start dealing with some of the mega cap stocks such as Tesla. So Tesla initially was starting to give out the 200 MA back here. However, things have changed. Tesla's really starting to prove itself and show some resiliency down here. 542 was a very key level for Tesla to hold. It did, and I personally think Tesla is going to rally from here. I think we've definitely put in the bottom for Tesla, and over the next few weeks, I think Tesla will bounce here. Keeping in mind that things can happen as long as Tesla doesn't have any, breaking news that really, sends the stock tumbling. I do think things, settled as they are, Tesla will continue to rally over the next few weeks. How far can Tesla rally? Well, let's see. The overall market is very close to its all-time highs. As long as that continues, maybe we'll see Tesla at $700 very, very soon. That's my predicament. I think in the next few weeks, Tesla will be back at $700. But let's see how things play out. But that's going to do it for us, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure to like the video, comment below any comments that you guys have about this video or any trades that you took today. Turn on that notification settings and make sure to subscribe to our channel. But enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Money Making Monday, and I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.